Video 1, Chapter 10. Assalamu alaikum, my dear all students. Today I am going to discuss unit number 10, the naughty monkey. So let's read the objectives of this lesson. The learning outcomes will be attained at the end of this lesson. Use pre-reading strategies to guess the meanings of unfamiliar words. Apply critical thinking to interact with text using intensive reading strategies. While reading, to locate, scan specific information to answer short questions. Organize vocabulary items according to parts of speech. Recognize alphabetical arrangement of words in a glossary or a dictionary. Use critical thinking to respond to text. Post-reading, to relate what is read to their own feelings and experiences. Comprehend questions, personal response. Agree, disagree, politely, lead, and follow. Pronounce weak forms of and, but, and, are in simple phrases or sentences. Illustrate the use of tenses previously learned in the speech and writing. Recognize the function of more joining words. Recognize and use the apostrophe with contractions. Recognize the function of more WH forms used in questions. Respond to and ask more WH questions. Select and use a mind map to organize ideas for writing. Write a short fable for pleasure and creativity. Use the reading text as a model for their own writing. Revise written work for correct spelling, punctuations, and subject-verb agreement tenses. So these all are the learning outcomes of this lesson. So let's read what is this unit is about. You can see this on page number 95. Unit number 10 is the naughty monkey. Do you keep your personal things at the right place? For example, you keep your things at the right place in your home, in your room, especially your room. Yes. Most of the things, we try to manage and arrange our things. So, what do you think about this word, that the naughty monkey? What is it about? Yes, it's about the story of a monkey who is very naughty, like is so much naughty, like annoying other people. So this is the whole story linking with the village and with the juggler and a monkey. So let's read it. I hope this will find so interesting for you. I hope you will like it. So let's read it on page number 96. I'm reading, so please concentrate on this. Once upon a time, there lived a mischievous monkey. It means mischievous means playful, annoying. In a forest near a village, he used to jump from tree to tree, plucking ripe fruits and eating them. Moving from one tree to another one and plucking the fruits and eat them without obviously the permission of others. One day, the monkey decided to explore the village. One day he decided that he moved to the village and he wanted to see that what is happening here. He was excited to see the houses and people in the village because he didn't see before that one the houses and the villages and the people. So he was so much excited to see them. He sneaked into a house and found bananas there. So he entered and moved there, and then he eat bananas, obviously entering in one house without the permission of that of people living there. He grabbed a few bananas in his hands and fled. He grabbed that one and moved. This village has more fun than that the orchard. He he found that it was so fun. Like he didn't get that one in the orchard in the forest. The monkey thought to himself. Days went by, and the monkey's mischief grew each day. The villagers were very upset. Now, because of his this behavior, the villagers were very upset because he didn't like that he plucked and he eat anything without the permission of the villagers. The villagers were very upset, but they didn't know how to get rid of the monkey. But it was like he didn't. The villagers didn't find any kind of a way to get rid from that behavior, from that bad behavior of the monkey, the naughty behavior of the monkey. One day, a juggler came to that village. We want to get rid of that monkey. Would you help us? Now the villagers asked help from the juggler that would you help us to get rid from that naughty monkey? The villagers inquired, yes, I will help you. Please get me some jars with very narrow necks. He asked that please give me some jars with a narrow neck. Okay, the juggler replied. The villagers gave him the jars. Now the villagers presented the juggler the jars. The juggler took those jars and put some peanuts into them. Now the juggler entered some peanuts and into the jar. Then he placed those jars near the monkey's abode in the forest. Now he placed those jars near the forest. The monkey saw the jars. He became curious and put his hand inside the jar. Now the monkey put his hand inside the jar. He could feel the peanuts inside, so he put the other hand in another jar to grab more peanuts. Now he put another hand in the next jar to grab the peanuts. His hands got stuck in the necks of the jars. He tried hard to take his hands out, but he couldn't. Soon the juggler came there with some villagers. The poor monkey tried to run but couldn't run fast without those jars. Because he couldn't run, because his hands were stuck in the jar, so that he couldn't run without taking these jars. The villagers caught the monkey and handed it over to a zoo. Now the villagers handed this monkey to the zoo. The villagers were very happy that they got rid of the monkey. Now students, what is the message given by this? What is the message that comes in your mind after reading that unit? What is the message comes in? What is the basic theme, the moral of that story? Can anyone think? Yes, like we do not try to disturb others, annoy others, that other one making plans to get rid of us. So this is a very bad thing, and we do not try to pick those things and those important things that other ones mean a lot for that, so that we do not try to pick that one without the permission of others. So this is all about this lesson. I hope that, and we will do the questions in the next lesson. First, we will discuss about the meanings of that one. So I'm going to discuss some meanings given in the text, the unfamiliar meanings in the text. Mischievous means playing tricks to annoy people. Orchard means a piece of land with fruit trees. Keeper, one who takes care of something. Sneak, to go somewhere secretly. Juggler, a person who plays tricks to amuse people. So these are the unfamiliar words. Try to read at home and find the questions. There are some kinds of questions here. Why was the monkey creating problems for others? Can anyone answer it? Why the monkey creating problems? Because he was so naughty. He was so excited to see the houses, so he decided to explore the village. That's why. So why were the villagers upset? Why Villagers upset because obviously he day by day he becomes so up the villagers become so upset by his behavior, because obviously he grabbed few things from any one house and obviously destroyed things. So the villagers were very much disturbed by his behavior, by his annoying behavior. So this is the way that we discussed in this one. I hope this is a picture. You can see this. Now the monkey is in behind the cage, and obviously the villagers caught that monkey and handed over to the zoo. So this is all about the naughty monkey. I hope you all will like it. Thank you very much.